how to add images on your website using GoDaddy. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically add in images on your GoDaddy website of your own choice. So once you guys have your GoDaddy website open, from over here simply click on the placeholder where you guys can add in images. So in my case it is this particular option. Now once you guys click on that, on the right side you guys will have the option for cover media. So click on that. And now from over here, you guys can change the fit of the image, and you guys can also change image as well. So click on change image, and now you guys can either drag and drop images from over here, or you guys can click on add image and then choose an image from your computer. You guys can also choose stock media, and of course you guys can also add in images via Facebook or via Instagram as well. So you guys have all of these options. So I'm gonna choose this image. I'll click on insert, and then as soon as I do that, now it's gonna take me over here, and now the picture is updated. I can even change the fit of the image as well to make sure that it looks perfect, and that is pretty much it. Now once I'm done with it, I can click on the top left and I can publish my website with this image. So guys, that is how you can add images on your GoDaddy website. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.